Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best surf fishing lures is probably one of the most important factors determining your success in catching fish from the shore, so choosing the right lure can mean the difference between a successful fishing trip and a frustrating one. Whether you're targeting striped bass, bluefish, or other species, understanding lure characteristics like weight, size, color, and action is crucial for attracting your target fish and maximizing your chances of a catch. This video will guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the perfect lures for your next surf fishing adventure. Number 5. Dr.Fish Saltwater Lures Kit. Get ready to experience superior fishing with this kit. It includes 4 unique lures designed to attract a wide variety of fish. These lures boast a brilliant holographic finish and lifelike 3D eyes. This makes them incredibly realistic and irresistible to fish. The built-in rattle system creates an enticing sound that attracts fish from afar. It also enhances their lifelike swimming action. They are equipped with strong, sharp mustad hooks, ensuring you land your catch. Forget about those cheap lures that break easily. These lures are perfect for various fishing conditions, whether you're in saltwater or freshwater. They work great for trolling or surf casting. They are ideal for catching a variety of fish, including salmon, trout, striper, muskie, bass, pike, walleye, and more. It's a complete kit for any angler. The integrated long casting system, combined with the irresistible rattle, makes them incredibly tempting to fish. You'll cast further and catch more. This kit offers 4 different lure styles to suit various fishing situations and target different species. Each lure is 5 inches or longer. What we like. It has a lifelike swimming action thanks to its superior chamber rattler system. The mustad hooks ensure you won't lose your catch. This kit is perfect if you're targeting various species in different conditions, whether it's freshwater or saltwater. Number 4. Dr.Fish 5-Pack Metal Jigs. These aren't your average fishing lures. They're designed with laser holographic paint and 3D eyes for an incredibly lifelike appearance underwater, attracting even the most discerning fish. Get ready to cast further than ever before. Its solid construction and slim profile allow for effortless, maximum casting distance, covering more water and increasing your chances of a catch. Watch it move. The slim design creates an erratic action in the water, enticing fish to strike. And the feather treble hook ensures you land your catch. It's built to withstand the harshest conditions. With extra corrosion resistance, it's perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, expanding your fishing opportunities. They're incredibly versatile. Use them to target bass, bluefish, walleye, pike, and many more species. The possibilities are endless. This pack includes 5 different colors of metal fishing spoons, all neatly organized in a convenient box. Each jig weighs 3-4 ounces and measures 2 to 3-4 inches. What we like. With its long casting distance and slim profile, it creates an erratic action that drives fish wild. The extra corrosion resistance coating makes it perfect for saltwater use. If you are looking for a durable jig that can handle tough conditions and reach distant targets, this is the one for you. What people say. The lure has great action and the weight is right for the body of water and type of fish I am targeting. All the colors worked great. I have caught a lot of stripers and bass with those. The lure is well built and looks fantastic. The hooks are very sharp. The image decal is identical on both sides except for the yellow one which has glow paint on the back side. Initial reaction is positive. I hope they catch fish. These lures are great for inshore fishing. A steady retrieve with a little shake and the predator fish get after them. Bluefish and Spanish mackerel love them. Number 3. Creek Chub Striper Strike Lure. Get ready to experience the ultimate in long-distance casting. This lure is designed for anglers who need to reach those hard-to-reach spots. It's engineered to cast farther than other lures on the market, making it perfect for fishing in the surf, below dams, or anywhere long casts are needed. Its slow-sinking design allows for a quick topwater retrieve, mimicking an escaping baitfish. This will drive fish wild. It's highly effective in attracting various game fish, including stripers, bass, and redfish. Get ready for an exciting fishing experience. It's built with durable, trophy-tough hardware and equipped with a treble saltwater hook, ensuring it can handle even the toughest battles. This lure is saltwater grade, making it ideal for anglers targeting saltwater species like striped bass and bluefish. What we like. This lure is designed for super long casts, ideal for fishing in the surf or below dams. Its slow sinking action, when retrieved quickly, mimics an escaping baitfish. If you need to reach those distant fish, this lure is your best bet. What people say. Looks and casts great. Very attractive topwater lure. I bought the 4-inch white with red head. Every cast I was getting fish. This is my go-to lure when casting to blitzing bluefish or fishing around rocky shorelines for stripers. One of the best topwater saltwater lures around. I recommend the large 5-inch, 218 ounces model. It casts like a bullet and draws the fish like a dinner bell. Number 2. Acme Kastmaster Lure. Get ready to experience the ultimate fishing lure. It's built to last and catch the big ones, no matter the conditions. This lure is machined from solid brass, ensuring it won't break, bend, or corrode. Its shine will last through countless fishing trips. Unlike other lures, it can withstand the toughest conditions. It retains its luster even in saltwater. It's ideal for catching a wide variety of fish, including stripers, blues, jacks, lake trout, and salmon. It's versatile and effective. With a 15 to 30 pounds test rating, it's perfect for heavy spinning, surf casting, and trolling in various environments. It's ready for anything. This high-quality lure is manufactured in China using only the finest materials. Experience the #1 fishing lure in the sport. Get yours today and start reeling in the big catches. What we like. Made from solid brass, it's incredibly durable and resistant to corrosion. It's suitable for various species and fishing techniques. If you prioritize quality and durability above all else, then this is the lure for you. What people say. The single hook allows for quick release when a school of bluefish go by, can catch a lot more. Great action in water. Best casting distance. These lures are amazing. They cast a freaking mile and catch just about anything. Number 1. Sea Striker Surf Spoon. Get ready to experience the thrill of fishing with the new Sea Striker Surf Spoon. It's designed for anglers of all skill levels, making it the perfect addition to your fishing gear. This spoon is crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and performance. You'll appreciate its superior craftsmanship every time you cast it. Its simple design makes it incredibly user-friendly, regardless of your experience. Anyone can master its use and enjoy successful fishing trips. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's the ideal tool to improve your catch. It's versatile and effective in various fishing conditions. With its superior quality and ease of use, it's a must-have for any serious angler. Get yours today and elevate your fishing game. It comes in compact packaging, measuring 1.8 L x 5.6 W x 3.4 H. This makes it easy to store and transport to your favorite fishing spots. What we like. This spoon is designed for anglers of all skill levels, making it a great choice for beginners. Its quality construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of surf fishing. If you're looking for a simple yet effective lure that's easy to use and built to last, this is a great option. What people say. Awesome lure. I used it for saltwater and freshwater fishing, caught 8 pounds bass and 15-inch trout saltwater. Just got it. Excellent casting, spins well, very flashy in the water. Small but has good weight. The casting is great. Can cover long distances. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.